The future is exceedingly bright, and for those of you who are my age, think of it as the Jetsons without people in the aircraft.
The strong points of the Texas A&M University system offering to the FAA included the clear airspace that we provide and the diversity that is provided in those ranges, including maritime operations, desert operations, and some high altitude operations as well.
So this geographic diversity and this large size make for a tremendous opportunity for testing vehicles in a variety of different environments.
All the unmanned aircraft systems that will be operating across the 11 different ranges will send information and data to the Command and Control Center here in Corpus Christi.
Think of it as an airport control tower.
We will be conducting tests and supporting research for the FAA.
These test ranges are where people are going to do tests that will allow the FAA to get the data they need to integrate these platforms into the national airspace.
The integration of unmanned aircraft into the national airspace is definitely a Kitty Hawk moment for the history of aviation. It's absolutely a Kitty Hawk moment for the history of this institution.
Absolutely, this is a game changer.
It's not just a test site program.
We now have the opportunity to become part of a high-tech industry.
One of the things that's going to happen after these aircraft are integrated into the national airspace is that private sector companies are going to begin to develop technology.
This isn't just about research.
We're talking about a multi-billion-dollar economic impact here.
And it's about research, development, and commercialization.
We expect this program to spin out companies based on the technologies that we develop.
The first area is going to be what we call precision agriculture.
Also doing disaster relief and disaster relief support.
Wildfire.
Port security and port security analysis.
Rangeland management.
Oil spill, early detection.
Detection of leaks in pipes.
Precision farming, and reduced water usage, and we know water is precious.
There are over 300 commercial applications. Because every idea is likely to eventually create a business. This creates jobs, but not only jobs, it creates high-paying, high-tech jobs.
It is huge from an economic standpoint, but from a practical standpoint of educating students, it's a huge opportunity and a new technology in a new field for students to have hands-on learning opportunities.
It's like the Apollo project for engineering education. It really provides environment so students, they can work as a team. Students from different disciplines like electrical, mechanical, computer science, GIS. So really it integrates different disciplines as well as science and math. So the opportunities here are quite unique.
Some of our students have already had significant opportunities to get internships or jobs in the unmanned aerial system field as a result of our leadership in this project.
Well, the very important part is since the platform could be relatively small, so students can exercise their imagination and their new ideas, test it out. You couldn't do it with, say, commercial airjet.
It's all about an industry that requires a workforce that then grows our educational opportunities is just tremendous.